Tesla's ultra-fast Model S Plaide, which the company has been teasing since 2019, is finally ready for its public debut. The company will hold a delivery event on June 3rd at its factory in Fremont, California, CEO Elon Musk tweeted Thursday, though it's unclear when Tesla actually plans on delivering the vehicle to the customers. And there's still no words on when we can expect to see Plaide versions of the Model X. The Model S Plaide, which is step above Tesla's ludicrous trim level, can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds and reach a top speed of 200 miles per hour, Musk says. It will have a range of 520 miles, which is well above Tesla's highest range models, and it will retail for $139,990. Musk says it will be the fastest production car ever. The Plaide Model S made its debut at Laguna Seca Raceway in 2019, where it lapped the famous California road course in just 1 minute and 36 seconds. The Plaide powertrain is being offered as part of Tesla's broader refresh of the Model S and X. New exterior designs and simplified interiors. It's the first major refresh for both vehicles since their release in 2012 and 2015 respectively. A delivery event on June, but no words on actual customer deliveries could indicate another delay for Tesla's speediest EVs. Customers who ordered Plaide Model S in January were originally told to expect deliveries to begin in April, according to Inside EVs. The company later said that those dates were being pushed to July. Of course, Tesla is not inuring to the challenges facing the entire auto industry, including supply chain problem and a global semiconductor chip shortage. In an April earnings call, Musk said deliveries of the refreshed Model S should begin shortly, without specifying an exact date. According to Tesla's website, Plaide Model S deliveries are expected between August-September, while Plaide Model X won't reach customers until Jan and Feb of 2022. Plaide Plus versions of both vehicles with the extended 520 miles of range aren't expected until mid-2022. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, a subscribe to the channel would be amazing. This is SVR, catch you in the next one.